Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this text masking animation in the Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you enjoy my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps support the channel and allows me to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So just closing this page. I already opened a new page and inserted this same background picture, which is just a random autumn forest picture. And now I need a text frame. I will show you how you can find it easily. Scrolling down to the frames, see all. Then go into the letters, and here you have the letters. I just selecting all what I need. Just to make it a bit smaller. Make all the text, all the letters the same size, and okay, now it's done. Selecting all the letters, I just group it, position, no, select all. Sorry, at first I just tied up. Then make all the letters in an equal distance from the others, and now it's group it, align to the center and ungroup it. I just grouped it to have in the same position, so that I just group it to allows me to make one item to move into the center. If I didn't, I will show you what I want. I'm just moving down this picture first. So if I select all and ungroup it and go into the position and go click on the align to the center, the Canva move all the items to the center. But when I group them, I can put the left, right, center, due to this is only one item. And I need to ungroup them due to I need all them separately. So I just duplicate the picture, duplicate again, and duplicate a third time. I just need for these two letters, and for these first two I just will have to use the white filling. And now I just need to adjust these three letters. So just double click on it and make a same size and position as the original picture. Like this. Doing a second also. Increase the size, moving to the top right. The easiest way to make it in the same place, we need a reference. Like for me, the reference is a top right corner, and the width is a full page. And in this case, all the pictures will be the same size and same position. Just increase the size, fit to the, I cannot do it now, okay, now I can do it now, fit to my reference point and scale it to the same size as the original one. So now we cannot see any letters here, and going back to the elements and moving back to the shapes, I just need a square shape and moving just shading or masking the right part of the picture, going to position, layers, and moving down until I have this square between those two letters and those two letters. And now I can resize it and changing the color to white. And it's nice, looks perfect for me. And this is how we can make this effect. So that I made this text masking. Oh no, I forgot one thing, sorry. I need one more square. I need to create the letter R. Yes, to the same height, and the width is here. I just have to zoom in due to I would to be sure there is no gap. Just moving just a bit. Oh, there is a gap now, and I just move with the keyboard just to the right. Just adjust it with 1 pixel right. In this case, this one is removing all the gaps from here, from the original picture. Then it looks better, much smoother transition. So in this case, I just have to download this picture to doing the animation. Okay. Open the second page. I just uploaded the same picture to here, size it as the same. I'm going to the uploads, upload files. I just uploading the file what I created. To this, sizing it. And now go to the animate, and I need the wipe. On enter, we can even choose the direction and the speed. And now right click on the picture, show timings, and then I just moving down a bit. Try to extend the size, but now I cannot. On the page, duration. Okay, like this. I just extend to 6 seconds. And now, waiting for the final result. So the first 1.5 seconds was no animation as I expected. Then it's coming and doing this text effect, text animation nicely on the picture. So this tutorial going to the end. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to click on the like button if you like my video and subscribe to my channel. And see you in my next tutorial. Ciao.